Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your man DJ the Wealth Investor, and today I want to talk about how to create a LLC, EIN number, and business bank account. Yep, that's right. It's time to boss up on our entrepreneurial endeavors and get this thing rolling the right way, so that way you can take full control of your expenses and stop operating as a hobby and start operating as a legitimate business. Without further ado, let's get right into the details. The first thing you want to be able to do is go to Google and just type in, your state and then LLC, and it should be like the Department of Financial Institutions. So here on my screen, I have it already up, Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. Some things you need to do will then be put in the name, just so that way you can kind of check it out. Let's type in W-I-A-Z, just A to Z. Wisconsin A to Z real estate. Boom. Nobody has that one. So definitely want to search that to make sure that nobody has the LLC that you're thinking about forming. And they don't. So from here, then you want to click on, I just clicked on the state at the top. And then you want to go to corporations and you want to click on create an LLC or corporation. But from here, you want to just click on domestic limited liability company for Wisconsin. And then here, you go over this information. So gotta have a name, obviously, registered agent, which is typically yourself, but it kind of depends on however you want to structure your LLC entity. But it can be like yourself as a registered agent, with a principal office. That can be either your home office or a PO box, or if you do have a business address, that'll go there. Organizers, typically the same person as the registered agent. Drafters, typically the same person. You sign, and then the contact information is how the state Department of Financial Institutions will be able to contact you. So that can be like a personal or business email. It's not one that's shared. It's just one that the state will use to be able to find you. And there is a fee of $130 to create the LLC. It is not refundable. So you want to make sure that that name that you choose is a name that is available. So that way you can avoid, not having to make a mistake of paying for something and not being able to use it. So here we are with that information. And then we would just click start here. Another thing, there is an annual, they have an expedited fee of $25 for you to be able to get the information quick. I think I always get that. So the total fee is like $155, which isn't bad. So yeah, then you'll hit click following. So you'll start that. And then we already checked to see if the name was available. So then we would just type in the name here. If we did W-I-A-Z real estate. And then you just hit next. Oh, I forgot to type in LLC. That's going to be important. Boom. And then again, you just go right through all the prompts. So you type in the name, the registered office. I don't think it's going to let me go until I fill that information in, which I'm not. So I'm not actually about to create this LLC right now. But as you can see, all of the information is right there for you to be able to go through the steps. And then once you're done, it's going to bring up a payment information, a payment date. So you'll hit that and make your payment online, and they're going to send you an email letting you know, obviously you got to put your email in there, letting you know that your LLC has been created, and then it's going to give you your articles of incorporation. So from there, I'm going to bring up the IRS's website, irs.gov. Click there. And then in here, again, they're saying that you're going to apply for the EIN number, limited to one EIN responsibility per day. So they only allow you to create an EIN number, one per day. And then you apply right here. So I'm just gonna hit apply. Just giving us some information, letting us know that U.S. government system is for authorized use only. Go through the prompts, make sure that you're comfortable with that. And then you just hit begin application. Limited LLC right here, or whichever is best. If you have a trust account, you can put it in there as well, but we're gonna say LLC. So that's what we just formed, so that's what we're gonna be using to create this. Then it's gonna give you some information about your LLC here. You can continue. How many members are in the LLC? 1. Select your state. I'm in the state of Wisconsin. Continue. Single member LLC, we're gonna hit, that's fine. And here we just do start a new business. Then they're gonna wanna know what your name information is here, your social security number, as well as I'm one of the only owners and managing members, and then hit continue. Again, I don't necessarily want to fill this out, but you'll put on all your information here, and then you'll put in your address, and then it'll just be details to review and make sure that everything looks good, and then it'll be a confirmation, and I believe you'll get the EIN number as soon as you finish the prompts, but if not, then they'll send it to you via email. All right, so now that you have your LLC, now that you have your business, your EIN number, now it's time to create that business bank account. So what you'll need for your business bank account, and that can be at any bank, whether it's a big bank or a local credit union, depending on the type of business you have, it may be, strategic to figure out which one is best for you. But then yes, you'll just go down to the bank, set up an appointment, and tell them that you want to set up a business bank account. Many of the times they're going to say fine. You might have to wait a few minutes to speak with a banker. And then they're going to need your EIN number, and they're also going to need your articles of incorporation, which is the documentation that comes when you form your LLC. All right, guys, I hope this information was helpful. I enjoyed talking with you. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I look forward to checking you out on my next and more videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and love.